So hi guys, I'm Kayyum and in this video we will going to see how to remove files using while and ls and then head command. So basically we can pipe these three commands: ls, then head, and then while, and then remove to remove a certain number of files. If you guess from the first five files, or say the last five files, so in this way we can delete the files. So let me create files. So from first to 10 we want to create files from first to 10. As you can see that we have created files from first to 10. Okay, so now let ls lrt, then say we want to delete the first five files. Okay, so that's why we are using head command and then five, so that we can delete the first five commands, first five files, then use while loop, then read, then store those file names in I, then do remove, again I, then done. Okay, lrt, then ls, then again head. I have forgotten to give uh, ls, again file, while read, then I, again do remove, here give the name of, then done. So as you can see that we have used ls hyphen lrt, so it will print all the files as per their timestamps. Then again this goes to ls, so it will only print out the file name ls, and then again it will goes to head command, then it will print the first five files, then again it will goes to while command, then while command read those first five files and store them in the I variable, and again the next in the do code blocks we are basically removing those five files using rm $I, then done. So let me check that does this command work. So as you can see that this command work, and we have successfully deleted first five files. Okay, so previously we are having 1 to 10 files, and now we have 5 6 7 8 and 9 files. Okay, so in this way we can delete the files using this command. Okay, again let me create the file, again first to 10. Okay, so now we have created 10 files. Okay, so now we want to delete those files from the tail. Okay, so we just want to delete the latest five files, so for that we will use a tail instead of head. Okay, we will use head when we want to delete the first five files in the directory, and if you want to delete the last five files or latest five files, then we will use tail command. Okay, and in that we will give 5 as in flag. Okay, now similar same as of before, we will read those using I while loop, then again do a remove $I, then done. Okay, so in this way this command will take place. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so as you can see that this command has deleted the last five files. So hope guys this will be